Hello, my name is Chris, and today we're going to be talking about how Plex can help you improve your inventory accuracy. What makes Plex unique is we individually serialize each one of your products throughout your environment, and it makes it easy to track and manage that product as it goes through the manufacturing process. Each license plate serialized barcode is unique to that product and allows the operators to scan and move material throughout the environment. With Plex, managing inventory is made easy. We're going to give you a detailed breakdown of what product is at which step of the manufacturing process, along with the associated quantity and location. From what we see is a lot of companies out there are struggling to find visibility when it comes to sending product out to subcontract. And with Plex, we manage that solution very easily. So you can see here we have our product that we're sending out for fabrication. We're just gonna go ahead and select that unique serialized number, create a shipper, and then ship this product out to that supplier. What this is providing is visibility that the material has actually been sent out, and it's gonna update that for us within Plex. You can see here in real time, we're generating a subcontract shipper that's providing the documentation that this material has now left the building. If we go look at our inventory screen now, notice how this serial number is currently at Assemble 5. When we refresh this screen here, it now goes to HD Fab, indicating that it's at that supplier location. To bring that material back from a supplier, we're just gonna go to our Receive from Subcontract screen and go ahead and receive in that container that we just sent. As we receive in this container, we're gonna go ahead and populate a supplier shipper number so we can complete the AP transaction and go ahead and receive this product in. Once product is received in real time, you're gonna see that update on our inventory screen showcasing that the serial number has then moved back from subcontract into its next manufacturing operation, providing that visibility from the material leaving the facility to coming back and giving you that full visibility of inventory. Hopefully this helps show you how Plex can provide real-time visibility into your inventory and managing those subcontract operations. Thanks.